Hi guys, okay, so this is our cheat sheet for GarageBand if we're choosing the instrument track, okay? And this means that we're going to be using the virtual instruments that we have there. So we have piano, we have guitar, we have strings, we have world music instruments, we've got drums, we've got an option to even plug in an amp to play our own guitar or to even plug in our keyboard, our real keyboard and play, okay? And then I have a small little cheat sheet here, common chord progressions, okay, and we can just look at it in the very simple key of C major, okay. C major has no sharps and flats, so our first progression is 1 5 6 4, and this is used in pop, rock and folk, okay. So in the key of C major, our 1 is our tonic, will be C, our fifth, which is called dominant, is G, and our sixth chord is A minor, which is the enharmonic equivalent to C major, meaning it is the minor equal of C major in having no sharps and flats. Okay, and then you got your 4, okay, your subdominant, which is F. Okay, so we're going to use that progression. We're going to use number 2. The first one was used for pop and rock and folk, and number 2 is mainly gospel, pop and rock, and it's 1 4 5 in C major. That's C, F, and G. And then we got our third progression, which is 1 6 2 5, which is used in R&B and jazz, of course. Okay, so C major will be, of course, our tonic will be of C, and our 6 will be A minor, our 2 is D minor, and our G is our dominant, okay, our fifth. There we go. So I'm gonna just give it to you like that again. And once again, I will also be talking about this in our second session. So you're equipped to work on your own little songs for us. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's hop to it. Okay, we're opening our GarageBand. I'm using my tablet. If you use your phone, you're just going to click the add button. That's going to take you to this interface over there. And we're going to just choose the word new. Okay, that's going to open a whole new track. As per usual, we're going to click on the add button. That's going to give us option of loops or instruments, and we're going to choose instruments this time. And in my case, I'm choosing keyboard because I'm a pianist. But if you are a guitarist, you can choose the guitar option, okay? You have many options here. You have drums, you have amp, you have audio recorder, you have strings, you have bass, you have guitar, world music, and you've got, you know, a drummer where you can actually create the beats yourself, okay? But for now, we're going to use the existing instruments that are here, okay? Keyboard, and I'm going to click on Smart Piano. It will take me to this view, okay guys? So first and foremost, look towards the end of this line. You're going to see 4.0, and that's where you're going to change the amount of bars. So you're going to click on that, and it will come up and say for you cell length, which is just basically a fancy way of saying the bars, the number of bars, okay? And it's naturally set up to 4 bars. But now, most songs, if you're doing blues and jazz, it's like 32 bars or a 12-bar blues. But in this case, let's say 16. Okay, so I'm going to go to 16 just to give us a bit more room. Okay, and there we go. We've got our 16 bars, okay? And now we've got this little, you can see, this little kind of virtual little knob, okay? And it says off right now. It's called autoplay. So we're going to take it all the way over to number 4 on the dial, okay? There we go. So another important thing is this small little icon over here that looks a bit like a cell phone that blinks red, and we're going to click on that. And once you click on that, it will take you to the actual piano, and you can try and finger out the chords if that's easier for you. Click that again, and then it will come up with the actual, just the chords with the chord names. Okay, I hope you can see that. Let's just get it a little bit more. There we go. So we're going to grab our chord progressions, and we're going to just start with our pop, rock, and folk, okay? So now, because we've put it all the way on